We've got iConnect, Fieldpiece, iConnect, and Fieldpiece taking outdoor ambient. All communicating with MeasureQuick. And if we go to the toolbox and we look at the mapping, I do not have the discharge line powered on at this point, but I've got outdoor air on one of the hygrometers, liquid line and suction line on the other. iConnect connected. Probe manager there only shows the Fieldpiece probes. But I've got pressures coming off of the iConnect. Thermostat is set to 65 and it has been running for some time now. I was using the wrong refrigerant type. I was on 410A. System's actually R22. We've got iConnect probes running the air temperatures, supply and return. The return hasn't populated in the app until just now. So I'm going to proceed with what I've got to do here, and we'll see what changes when I'm done. That's great. That's really great. Part of that is due to the fact that we don't have any float or cleanouts on any of the drain lines. And this system hasn't been serviced in a while.